Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out the best Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 for 2026, your ultimate all-in-one kitchen companion. Stick around to see why this Instant Pot is a must-have and where you can grab it right now. Starting at number 1. Instant Pot Duo Slow Cooker, Rice, Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, 6-quart, stainless steel, is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking while saving time and space. Combining 7 essential functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer, it replaces multiple appliances in one compact unit. With 13 one-touch customizable smart programs, it allows you to easily prepare a wide range of dishes such as soups, beans, rice, poultry, and desserts with minimal effort. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, 8-quart, stainless steel, is a powerful and family-sized multi-cooker designed to handle large meals with ease while simplifying your kitchen routine. Combining 7 essential appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and warmer, it offers exceptional versatility in one convenient device. With 14 one-touch smart programs, you can quickly prepare a wide variety of dishes such as soups, stews, rice, beans, poultry, and desserts at the press of a button. The generous 8-quart capacity is ideal for big families, gatherings, or batch cooking, allowing you to prepare up to 8 servings at once. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, 6-quart, is a high-performance, all-in-one kitchen appliance designed for versatility, precision, and convenience. Combining 10 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice/grain cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, yogurt making, sterilizing, baking, and food warming, it replaces multiple kitchen tools in a single sleek unit. With 28 customizable smart programs and 5 programmable favorites, it allows you to easily prepare a wide range of meals with one-touch control. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping, while the premium stainless steel inner pot ensures even heat distribution and can even be used on a stovetop. Advanced safety features, including overheat protection, a secure locking lid, and a gentle steam release system, provide peace of mind during cooking. Additionally, it includes access to a companion app with over 800 recipes, helping users explore new dishes and simplify everyday cooking, making it a powerful and reliable upgrade for any modern kitchen. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Max Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro Max Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker, 6-quart, is a premium, tech-enhanced kitchen appliance designed for modern, connected cooking. Featuring 10 versatile functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, rice cooking, yogurt making, sous vide, baking, warming, and NutriBoost, it delivers exceptional flexibility for preparing a wide variety of meals with ease. Its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to control and monitor cooking remotely through the companion app, which offers access to over 2,000 guided recipes for inspiration and convenience. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families, while the advanced NutriBoost feature enhances flavor and nutrient extraction for richer results. With intuitive controls, precise temperature management, and multiple safety features, the Instant Pot Pro Max combines smart technology with powerful performance, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. Number 5. Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker, 6-quart, is a versatile all-in-one kitchen appliance designed to simplify everyday cooking while saving time and effort. Combining 7 essential functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer, it eliminates the need for multiple devices in your kitchen. With 14 one-touch smart programs, you can easily prepare a wide range of meals, from soups and stews to rice, beans, meats, and even homemade yogurt, all at the press of a button. The 6-quart capacity makes it ideal for families or meal prepping, while the durable ceramic cooking pot ensures even heat distribution and easy cleaning. Built with multiple safety features, including overheat protection and a secure locking lid, the Instant Pot Duo delivers both convenience and peace of mind, making it a must-have appliance for modern kitchens. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description, so you can buy your Instant Pot Duo today. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more top kitchen gadgets in 2026.